To download Audacity, first go to Google and then search for Audacity. Go to audacity.sourceforge.net and then choose to download the current version of Audacity. At the moment it's 2.02, but that will change. Choose Run and it will start to download the application. Choose Run again, then select the language that you'd like to work with. I'll choose English, then click on OK, click on Next, and then Next again. This is where the program files are going to be installed. Click Next. Create a desktop icon so you can find Audacity easily, and then select Next and Install. Click Next and then choose to launch Audacity and then Finish. If you don't want to view the manual or quick help and so on every time the program starts, just check the Don't Show This Again at Startup and then click OK. Here's the Audacity window ready to work with.